3 most important reasons you should start keto now. 1. Keto diet shows significant improvement in weight loss. Keto diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet that has been shown to be effective in weight loss. Studies have found that people who follow the keto diet lost more weight than those people who follow a low-calorie or low-fat diet. In one study, the keto diet group lost an average of 40 pounds and 26 inches in 1 year. 2. Keto diet increases satiety. The keto diet is low in carbohydrates and high in fat. This causes the body to produce ketones, which are a byproduct of fat. Ketones signal the body that it has enough energy, so it won't trigger hunger pains. This can lead to more weight loss. 3. Keto diet shows significant improvement in type 2 diabetes. Eating low-carb diets, like the keto diet, can improve the symptoms of type 2 diabetes. Keto diet can help to reduce insulin resistance, which can lead to a healthier pancreas. This may reduce gyroscope type 2 diabetes in the future. Eating a keto diet may help you lose weight, feel less hungry, and improve your type 2 diabetes symptoms. Visit healthyhowto.xyz for latest content on keto, health, and more.